All right, bud, I need to get keys, actually.
Keys?
Yeah.
Mama keys?
Yeah, we need Mama's keys. Come on.
Mama keys?
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Tuner Things. I'm run down. Had a long night last night, but I finally have my mechanic with me. We just got to go get some keys. So, if you guys saw my little rant and ramble last night, my wife's car died on me while I was going to the store, and yeah, inconvenient timing, but I was only 2 blocks away. But god damn, this thing's heavy. So it just shut off, sputtered, so it's either not getting fuel or it's not getting spark. So we're gonna start the diagnosis process. I'm gonna look over things. My mechanic down here, Adam, say hi.
Hi.
He's gonna check over everything. Check over my work. Gotta check the distributor here first. Usually these are captive screws. Captive screws. Yeah. Well, it does look kind of funky. It does look a little funky, yeah. What do you think, mechanic?
Funky.
Funky. Yeah. Yeah. Funky. Funky. Don't say the other one. I think we have an extra one of these. Let's go look. So we got a spare distributor cap here.
Yep.
Let's see if we can get it thrown on. That would be incredibly convenient if this fixed the problem. Gasket. I always want to do these one at a time. Then you don't screw up the order. Hey, big guy.
Okay.
We're probably gonna need to put a new rotor on,
No what?
but we don't have one of those. So this will at least let us know whether that was the issue or not.
Look.
So let's see if that works. If that works, we'll pop it off and we'll go get a new rotor. Here, stay here for a second. Yeah, you stay right there. Oh, that wasn't it. Just had to put my mechanic down for his nap. So the one thing that I did with my wife, I opened up the gas door and had her turn the key to on to see if I could hear through the door that it was priming, which is what the repair manual says to do, and I could not. So the next step is to check the relay, and then the next step is the fuel pump. So let's, I believe the relay is down here. So I'm gonna see if I can get to it somehow. Is that it? Is this one it? Let me go grab that. All right, so it's this one. It's this guy. Fuel pump. That's why I like to keep spares of all my parts. You know, it's handy. So, you know, these relays are kind of expensive, like $100 if you go with the real one. At least my car didn't sound like that. God, that's crazy. But yeah, like I said, it's nice to keep spares of these parts. These relays cost like $100, and that's not something I really want to be. You know, I could test it out, but I could test it with a voltmeter, probably attach one side of the battery. But so now I have to do the fuel pump. I can either drop the fuel tank and go at it from there, or I can take the back seats out and cut away the floor. So I'll be taking the back seats out and cutting away the floor, just not right now. It's too fucking hot. Hopefully that fixes it. All right, y'all, so this is how this has to go. Gotta use the jump pack on the Integra to get to Napa to buy a battery. I'm gonna take that out and hopefully swap it, give them the core right then and there so they don't charge me for that. Then we gotta go to Advanced, pick up a fuel pump for the Odyssey, come back, put the fuel pump in. This is gonna be an adventure. So let's get it cracking, guys. This jump pack is extremely old. It probably has like one good jump left per charge. So gotta make it to Napa, since they have the cheapest battery, the 51R. Yeah. Oh shit, I forgot my steering wheel. All right, we'll get the steering wheel and get to Napa. That could have been bad. There we go, we made it. Almost lost a hood, but we made it. Forgot to put my key back in too. All right, y'all, so it had 41 cold cranking amps. Yeah, so definitely needed to be replaced. Wash my car again. All right, y'all, got the fuel pump, new filter. There she goes. Still got to get that starting issue fixed. Alrighty, y'all, so I got carpet pulled up, and apparently it's right under there, the fuel pump. So I'm gonna take this off. This should be the leveling thing. And then I'm gonna take some shears and I'm gonna cut this back and bend it out of the way. So.
Yep.
Yep. All right, excuse Adam. Yep. There's a fuel pump right there.
Hi, Dave.
Hey.
What's up?
All right, y'all, well, I got this taken off, so I'm gonna get these 10s taken out and we'll see what the deal is. So I don't think that this is the issue, because, you know, it's either because it was a hot day and the gas is expanding, or because that pump was actually priming, but I didn't hear it prime. So, listened in and everything. Man, look at this crazy ass situation I got. But at least this is bent back now, so that in the future, you know, when we put another 200,000 miles on this thing, should be able to just bend it on back. And all right, got it out. All right, let's get the new one in. Alrighty, y'all, so it's back in. I'm gonna slide this clip back over, and I'm gonna go try and start it up. I'm unbelievably nervous that this wasn't the issue. All right, but hopeful. Please start. Please start. Please start. Thank you, God. I did it. Huh. That's what the f I'm talking about. Good job, Steven. Good fucking work. Good fucking job, Steven. Excellent work. Good job. I can't tell you how proud I am of myself. I know it seems silly, but like, I diagnosed it myself. I fixed it myself. Just cut my fucking floor up, and it works. My wife can get back to work. She missed today of work. I'm really proud of myself here. I'm happy that this happened while I was driving and not her on the highway. So, yep. Now I just gotta knock all this back down, put the plates back in. Oh, I'm so fucking proud of myself. I know I keep saying it, but I'm just really ecstatic here. So, hell yeah. I'm gonna get this all put back together. If you've watched this far, please smash that subscribe button for me cutting my hands up and, you know, really, you know, it's just a fuel pump, but man, hell yeah. You guys always tell me have more confidence in myself, have more faith in myself, and this kind of shit just reaffirms that. So make sure you smash that subscribe button. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna get this put back together. I'm gonna drink this beer. It's nice, cold, refreshing beer. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Peace out, Cub Scouts.